Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through a simple step on how to download Grammarly application for your PC. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open a web browser on your PC. I'm opening up my Google Chrome web browser. Into the search box, type in grammarly.com/download. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official page of grammarly.com. Click on the Get Grammarly, it's free button located on the left hand side of the screen or on the top right hand corner. First, you'll need to sign up for a Grammarly account. Enter a valid email address in the email address platform and create a password for your account. On the next field, type in your name. Click on Agree and Sign Up to complete your sign up process. You can also use one of the services from the bottom in order to sign up quicker. After you are done typing in your details, click on Agree and Sign Up. And on the next page, you'll need to verify your email address. Enter the 6-digit verification code sent to the email above and you'll be able to receive a confirmation code from Grammarly. Click on it and copy the verification code. Enter the 6-digit verification code in the text box and you'll be able to create your Grammarly account. Once you're signed up, you can click on the Get Grammarly for Windows button and your download process will begin. Once it is completed, click on it. The setup process will begin automatically. After the download is completed, you'll be able to see the Grammarly application right on your Windows desktop page. That is how you can easily download Grammarly application for your PC. Now you can simply click on the sign in button in order to start signing in and accessing your account. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.